us at ASUS, it's about serving the complete creator. We see GoPro as the pioneer of the capture anything mindset. They empower creators to get the shots, no matter how impossible it seems.
Partnering with ASUS, they are looking to provide tools to creators. What really aligns well is not only can they capture with state-of-the-art technology, but now they can produce with state-of-the-art technology with ProArt series.
We both are so focused on those creators and enabling through amazing tools and technology and to tell your story as you see fit.
ProArt is a brand born for creators. The start of the creation is the capture, and I feel like this is what GoPro is to us.
Honestly, super stoked. Like when I heard the ASUS, we had a partnership lined up, couldn't think of a better brand to collab with in the PC space. So much respect.
We really want the laptops to be compact, efficient, high performance. And when we bring that to GoPro, we found that, oh, we have this similar design language. They also have these straight line pattern on their heat fins. We really want to highlight that.
Introducing such deeply textured patterns into a precision laptop posed a significant challenge. After aluminum stamping, minor dimensional tolerances can occur, increasing the difficulty of CNC machining. Our engineering team explored multiple approaches, using vacuum absorption to stabilize the workpiece and high-precision CNC machining, successfully producing these refined textures.
Our products are built to last, first and foremost. When we found out that this product and ASUS and their capabilities also do a lot of military-grade testing, it was a natural fit. We have these elements of blue pop in the backlight. When you turn it on and you use it, you'll see the glow of our cyan color.
Our packaging team, they're really focused on minimizing waste. We want this to be a creator-specific way of reusing the packaging. That's why we included a reusable laptop sleeve.
We're eliminating the friction and accelerating the entire creative process globally.
The GoPro Hotkey allows you to launch the GoPro Player. So as part of this partnership, we've built an integration from StoryCube into the GoPro Cloud. We've built a pretty powerful integration for 360 content to power editing, stabilization, and reframing.
We have dedicated AI categories designed specifically for every outdoor activity. All sorts of cool views like sorting by device, checking the exact spot on the map, or just scoring the timeline.
We built this laptop with the AMD Ryzen AI Max 395 with a 128GB of unified memory and with an ASUS Lumina OLED display.
I think that there's lots of opportunities for ASUS and GoPro to continue to partner together, and I think the biggest people that will benefit from it are the creators themselves.
Together, we want every creator to be the hero of your story.